Hi everyone, this screencast is about integrating technology and social media in a third grade classroom, and my name is Elizabeth Hutchison. I'm a third grade teacher in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and as a teacher, I believe it is crucial to integrate technology and inquiry-based learning into my classroom. Technology can be integrated in many different forms and is used in my classroom every day. Some of the ways that we use technology in my classroom is including videos throughout our lessons, listening to podcasts, adding media to presentations, using virtual manipulatives, and creating student blogs. Integrating many different forms of technology in my classroom have many benefits for both my students and me as a teacher. One of the ways that I integrate both technology and inquiry-based learning is by providing my students the opportunity to include social media use into their learning. In education, instructors are beginning to use social media to capitalize on feeds from Twitter and pages on Facebook for communication with students, parents, and other teachers or content experts. The form of social media that my students and I engage in our classroom is the use of a class blog. The definition of a blog is a website that is maintained by an individual in which he or she comments on topics of personal and professional interest, has running commentary, descriptions of formal and informal events, and attaches links and/or graphics to tie in with statements or judgments made by the author. Throughout my previous internships in 3rd and 4th grade classrooms, I witnessed my students using class blogs on a regular basis. The students and teacher posted in their blogs weekly, and I firsthand got to see many great benefits as well as the children enjoying this activity. I have always wanted to integrate blog use into my classroom, so I am extremely thankful that I have. My 3rd grade students truly enjoy the classroom blog that we integrate into our curriculum. The specific blog platform that we use in my classroom is KidBlog. KidBlog is a safe platform that is designed for students K through 12. It is free for up to 50 students per class. KidBlog has many unique features like no advertising, strong privacy, password protected, no personal information necessary from students, and it is also very simple to use. Our class blog is used for a variety of different tasks. As a teacher, I use our classroom blogs to publish assignments, resources, and keep students up to date on what is being covered in our class. I also use a classroom blog to help my students master their writing skills in a way that is enjoyable. My students use our classroom blog to publish their writing and educate their classmates on their particular topic. My students are required to post once each week on our classroom blog. The topic that they post about varies, but directly relates to something that we have been discussing in class throughout the week. My students are also asked to respond to 2 of their classmates' blogs weekly. Integrating a classroom blog as a form of social media into my classroom comes with many benefits. The students not only enjoy this activity tremendously, but it is also keeping them developing their lifelong writing skills. Some of the benefits that I have noticed from integrating a classroom blog is that blogging exercises students' creativity, regular writing sharpens the brain's performance, it promotes expression of self, boosts confidence, improves communication skills, and many more. I am very thankful that I've integrated a classroom blog into my learners' education. This is a form of social media that I think very highly of and often share with my colleagues. I will incorporate this form of social media as long as I have a classroom full of wonderful students. Right here is a student artifact. It's an example of one of my students using KidBlog. As you can tell, for this project, they had to write about their favorite book. 2 students commented on their blog post, and as you can see, it's very clear and easy to use. These are some of the resources that I used to create this screencast, and these are some as well. Thank you so much for listening.